Hello and welcome back to Callings Feel Good Garden. This month the theme is reflection. What do Callings have in store to help you promote reflection in your garden? Mirrors are a great way to create the illusion of space within your garden. So the first product I have to offer you is this Baker's Chin-Or mirror. So you want something to enhance, provide interest, a soothing sound and a habitat for wildlife. Then I have this after spray water feature for you. There's only one thing better than providing birds with fresh, clean supply of water. It's the reflection of the sky in your bird bath. Come and take a look at this Gardener Aura bird bath. I'll pass you on to John with the top 3 plants of the month.
This month's Feel Good Garden is based on reflection, so I'd like to highlight 3 plants within the garden. First of all is euonymus white spire, which is a very attractive upright growing evergreen, which has a variegated white and green foliage, and again ties in very nicely for autumn and winter structure. The second one is a new type of Chamaecyparis. This is a conifer, a slow growing silvery conifer. Again, very nice for adding evergreen structure to beds and borders. And lastly, we have here Euphorbia silver edge, which again is an evergreen, herbaceous perennial, which is a really nice reflective plant at this time of year.
So that is just some of the products we have to offer here at Callings in our Feel Good Garden. But please, you must visit one of the 4 of our Callings sites to see the rest of the range that we have to offer.